Hello there, YouTube. I'm back. It's been a little while. Had some family stuff going on, so I've been away from the internet. So, I'm back. It's my welcome back video to myself, I guess. Been busy, still working on things in the shop. Haven't been filming a lot. Home shop. Been working a lot more. And if you can see behind me, it is just a disaster piece all around me because I haven't had any time to be home cleaning this stuff. It's been working here, go inside, start the days all over the place, but I'm back. So thank you. A lot more content coming out, and for subscribers that are still checking for videos, thanks. And we'll get more soon. I got some new additions, stuff I'll showcase, but I got to clean up decorations and all this jazz all around us, so it'll be fun. So next video is probably gonna be my new jack. Now, some of you may say, oh, it's a Harbor Freight jack, but this thing's awesome. We've already had one and showcased it on the channel, but I bought a new one for here because Old Faithful ain't cutting it anymore. So, we'll have more stuff coming. So thanks for watching, guys, and again, a lot more content coming out. See you soon.